Hello my Totodile family and welcome back to Totodile Tales. We're filming live on location today at Orchard City Games. We've got one pack of Cosmic Eclipse for you. I've purchased the last two packs of Cosmic Eclipse in hopes of pulling a trainer rare or character rare as they're called. We've got a Fire Energy, Zangoose, Gloom, Celio, Drillbur, Tangela, Eevee in the Rain, Duskull, Timple, oh, Eevee in the rain again, and we've got a Dragalege. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.